Why is it important to take profit? And who can tell you when to take profit? In this video, I'm going to break down how important it is to take profit. When it comes to taking profit, another man or woman can't tell you when to take profit. Why? Everyone's financial situation is different. A bit of money to you might be some little change to someone else. £1,000,000 to you might be pennies to someone else. So when it comes to taking profit, it's all on you. How does that money make you feel? Does it make you feel nice? Does it want to make, does it, like, do you want to show off? Do you want to show people like, yo, like, I done good, you know, God blessed me. I made this much in 6 months. I made this much in a year. Oh, I never have to work again. If the money makes you feel like that, you should take profit. Otherwise, someone else is going to take the profit for you. And that's a real thing. Like, you're catching all these gains, you're catching all these XXXXs, and then out of nowhere, the coin starts going down. And you're thinking, we're going to bounce, right? Surely we're going to bounce. No, sometimes we don't bounce. That's how the downtrend starts. Anyways, me personally, when it comes to taking profits, I learned the hard way, right? I made videos about this. If you ain't checked this, go and look at my videos. I learned the hard way. So now I take profits. And I love crypto. Crypto's my thing. Crypto changed me, right? But I've also got other hobbies. I also love other things. Like, I love watches. Like, I love watches. It's crazy. Like, you know, some people love cars. Some people love drugs. Some people love, I don't know, bungee jumping or something. Me, this is my thing, innit? I like watches. Rolexes. That's my thing. And every time I make profit, I sell. So like right now, this is what I've got left in my ledger. And I've been taking profits. I've been selling, right? I got about 42,000 something XRPs. And before I say this, XRP army, please don't come for me. Don't try to kill me. I'm a good guy. Allow me, yeah? But I sold at $3.50. This is what I got left in it. So, and if it goes back to $3 something, I'm selling again. I'm sorry. I'm just telling you not the truth. XRP on me, don't come for me. Because the way I do it is I get it. $100, $1,000, $200 for XRP. I hear you. I wish it gets there. I wish all of you don't make millions. Like, I'm not a hater. But me personally, when I look at the money, when it makes me feel nice, I sell. I took the screenshot this morning. As you can see, 9:30. And yeah, I'm just, see this video, this ain't to show off or whatever. I'm just showing you like the power of selling, because when you sell, like at days like this, you feel better. Do you know what I'm saying? I got money left. Obviously, I've still got a lot of altcoins. I've got a lot of altcoins. I'm not gonna lie to you lot. I'm down just like you lot. I'm down as well. But the only thing is, I've been selling. So right now, even though the market's dumping and I'm pissed because I would have had more money, it's not that I'm not that pissed off because I have been selling, right? I've been bearish for the past 3 months. I've told you about Bitcoin when it hit 23K. I made a video just under 3 months ago and I said it's not going to 130K. That's it, we've done. I still stick to that. I'm still saying we're done, yeah? I'm not saying we're not going to have a little bounce before we dump, but I don't think we're going to see over 130K Bitcoin. That's just my opinion. And if I'm wrong, cool, whatever. Like, I don't care. I'll still make more money either way, innit? But I'm just telling you my opinion, right? Cool. So that's what I've got left now. And if I see another pump in the market, I made a video about 4 days ago. I said, yo, I really thought it was gonna bounce to like 112, 118. If Bitcoin would have bounced to 112, 118 this week, I would have sold everything. Like, you would have seen nothing in my wallet. I'm just being real with you. I already like wrote it down. I already said that's what's gonna happen. Do you get it? So anyways, let's get into Bitcoin. So I made a video yesterday. I explained how important that high and low was. We didn't get the high and low. We got the opposite. We got a lower high and a lower low, another lower high, lower low. And yesterday I made a video and I said, yo, we're going to 94K. And I explained to you lot how, bear in mind, Bitcoin was bouncing at this stage, yeah? When I said this, I said Bitcoin's going up, but it's only going to make a lower high and it's going to come back down and do a lower low. I'm just following the trend, right? If you haven't seen my video, I strongly advise you to go and watch it. I said 94K, that's the next target. And I even explained how I got 94K. I didn't just randomly just close my eyes and imagine that number. Nah, I showed you how I got it. When in doubt, you look to the left. So look at the previous month, the previous whatever, you find strong support. And that's how I found that 94K. And that's where we're at now. We're going to go a bit lower, but yeah, that's where we're at right now. But yeah, man, this video isn't like me trying to show off or whatever. I'm just trying to explain to you like the power of selling. Like, if you've never sold before aggressively, when someone told you to sell whatever, I know it's a bit scary, but that's why you should always think like, how does this money make? How does the money make you feel? It makes you happy. Makes you feel like you've done something good in life. That you can change people's situations financially around you. Then you should sell. I'm being real. That means you've done good. Like from the time you've doubled your money, tripled your money, you've done good. Like you've done more than what the average Joe can do. So don't get greedy. And when it comes to selling, you don't have to sell everything at once. You can just do what I do. I just sell a bit, sell a bit, sell a bit, sell a bit, sell a little bit more, sell a little bit more until I have no more. And then in the bear market, we accumulate again and we go again. All these other guys are just chatting shit to you lot, telling you lot about there's not going to be no bear market. Like, that don't make no sense. Me personally, all of that don't make no sense. If I didn't sell all of my, like most of my coins, yeah, 2 months ago, 3 months ago when I made that video, I'll be pissed right now. I'll be depressed. I'll be thinking, what? Like, I could have made so much more. Could have made so much more. That would just be in the back of my mind. Like, I could have made so much more. But now I sleep better at night, knowing that I've sold, like, I bought stuff that I wanted. Like, right now, let me explain something to you, yeah? If XRP goes to $3.50, yeah, I'm selling. And guess what? I'm gonna have more money than that 74K that's there. I'll go and buy another watch. I'll probably go and buy RM, a Richard Mille or something, or I don't know. I'll buy something that makes me feel happy. And then in the bear market, we start again. It's just literally rinse, repeat, rinse, repeat. But you have to know when to sell. Like, if you don't, listen, if you don't know when to sell, yeah, someone's going to take your profit for you. If you don't know when to take your profit, another person's going to come and take it. Just look at it like that. If you don't take profit, someone else is going to come and take it. Yeah? Remember, this is not a team sport. This is player versus player. Like, for me to sell, someone else didn't sell. For me to win, someone else lost. So just think about that next time, man. And as for Bitcoin, it's not looking good right now. Obviously, do I think it's going to go straight to 80K, 70K? No. We're going to have some sort of bounce. But on the daily, you can see like on the daily, the downtrend is official. Like it's like you can see it. Like it's scary. And for all those people that haven't sold and they're still holding their bags, well, all I got to say is, please, when the market turns green and we start pumping, don't get greedy. Just think about, yo, is this like, how does that money make you feel? Don't think we're gonna go to 180, 200. Even if Bitcoin, for whatever reason, just starts flying back to 120, 130, just think about these days, innit? How sick you felt when the market dumped, and make sure you take some profit. You know what they say, you never go broke from taking profit. Pro is profit, right? You never go broke from taking profit. So come on, man. But yeah, I'm going to keep this video nice and short. I just explained to you lot why I sell and how important it is for me to sell. The stuff that I buy, obviously, this is just watches. I'm the breadwinner of my family, so I make sure my family's nice. It's not just about watches. Like, everyone's nice around me. And that's because I learned how to sell, innit? And I don't love these coins. Bitcoin, it's not looking good right now. I'm not going to lie to you. But hopefully we get a bounce, right? But this video was just I'm just hoping people watch this video and just understand the power of selling in it. Because these other crypto guys, they don't show you what they're doing. They just tell you, I bought this here, I bought this here. They don't show you their wallets. They don't show you when they sell. And then they tell you, oh yeah, I think we're gonna have a bull market until 2028. And then when you're watching their videos, 20 minutes down the line, they'll be like, yeah, I've been dollar costing, I've been selling on my way on the way up. It's called DCA. I'll be like, bro, I thought you said the bull market is on till 2028. So why the fuck are you selling every time we get a new all-time high? Because they're not dumb. They've been in this cycle before. They know how it goes. The best thing to do is sell. Every time it goes up, sell, and you're left with some profit. Otherwise, you're gonna be left with these coins, empty dreams, all of that bull crap, and all of that's long. Yeah, man. If you haven't sold yet, I'm not telling you panic sell. I'm not telling you sell right now. I'm just saying when we get that bounce, think about selling, innit? And I can't tell you when to sell. The money needs to. Everyone's situation is different, as I said. Yeah, everyone's financial situation is different. Like when the market bounces, that's when you should be like, how does this money make me feel? Does it make me feel happy? Can I do stuff with this money? All right, cool. I'm gonna sell. Yeah, man. I hope you lot like this video. Like, subscribe, all of that, all of that, all of that.